Right friends? Yes, this is Janvi. These days I have made videos related to importance of the day, national festivals, religious festivals and on some other topics. Right? Now with me, my Amma Bindu Lakshmi is here.
Hi.
You are going to watch many more videos with us. So,
Sign up for the Tools of Progressive Skills. Right. And here in this video you are going to learn about the handwriting development. How you are going to develop handwriting. So step by step I am going to show in this video. And before that, the 3P and 1P I am going to explain. This is the important thing you need to learn in this handwriting skill development course. So here within 7 days you are going to improve your handwriting. That makes very easy for you. So what is this 3P and what is that plus 1P I am going to tell you. 3P in the sense it is so prepare, practice, perform. That is for 3P. And what is this another extra P plus 1 is that is patience. Patience is the most important thing one should have to learn the handwriting, right? And in student life, handwriting plays a major role, right? So how you need to improve your handwriting, how you need to focus on that step by step with the cursive writing and how to write the words, how to write down your sentences and how to go with the paragraph writing. That I am going to explain you. But before that you need to have patience and prepare, practice, perform. Let's go.
bye.
Here, I welcome you to the world of beautiful handwriting. So, what are the things you need to learn to become a perfect handwriting? So, it is very simple. Lowercase and uppercase alphabet. So, already you learned the lowercase and uppercase alphabet. That's very simple. You to focus on the handwriting, beautiful strokes, beautiful handwriting. Right? Yes. So, what is the right age to learn the cursive pattern? So, let's discuss about this. So, I can say that it's 5 plus. 5 plus is the right age to learn cursive patterns. So here it includes the different strokes. So we can say this as grandpa stick. This is the right pattern to learn the cursive writing. So this is the one of the most thing you use in all these cursive styles. Not only in the handwriting, even in the calligraphy. That calligraphy I am going to explain in the next video. So here we will focus on the cursive writing. And what are the cursive writing includes? So cursive writing includes lowercase and uppercase cursive writing. So you are going to learn small letters and capital letters. Next, words, sentences and paragraphs. And here we use in the sentences some punctuations and in the paragraph we are going to learn some punctuation marks how to use. So here it's very easy for you to learn the handwriting. So stay with me in this video. I am going to show you how to learn a beautiful handwriting within a week. Here is a video on cursive writing practice. First comes your strokes. You can see the strokes here. So these strokes benefit our minds. So coordination of the left and right parts of our brain. We all use both parts of our brains. Writing in cursive script can coordinate the two parts of your brain. Yes, you can see zigzag line and we are using triangle, square and some strokes. Curves, right curve, left curve and then slanting line, bending line and then we have written here next one is grandpa stick and writing C's, O's, joining the words. So this helps to sharpening your mind. Writing by hand is a great tool for those who want to keep their minds sharp as they get older. So this is all about the cursive patterns. Let's go with next how to improve your memory by writing a cursive writing. So before that we'll know about a lines. Here you first thing is you need to practice in the 4-line book. So top line, bottom line and here is a middle line. So here comes clock climbers. So some letters I have written for the clock climbers. You can see here. So it is all about letters A, D, G, Q and C, right? And next one is kite string. What is this kite strings? Right? Yes. So first letter is T, U, W and it is I. I have repeatedly written it as T. J, P, R, S, O and third one is loop group. It is loop group. So what are the letters here? Let's go. Yes. So it is H, K, B, F, L and E. Next fourth one is hills and valleys. So hills and valleys. So what are the letters here in the hills and valleys? So M, N, V, X, Y and Z. So while writing these, we are going to improve our memory. So when we are going to concentrate on the letters for writing a cursive writing, so if you take notes by writing, or it may be help you to remember all the notes better, right? So something writing by hand stays longer in the memory, right? So here you can see capital letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, capital L. So how to read it as capital L, capital N, capital M, capital N, capital O, capital P, capital Q, capital R, capital S, capital T, capital U, capital V, capital W, capital X, capital Y and capital Z. Yes. Next we are going to learn a cursive words. So here the cursive words. What are the words we are going to write? So beginning of the letters. So from A to Z. So I have taken a small words from A to Z. So ant, ball, cat, dog, egg, fish, gun, hen, ink, jam. See how I am following the lines here. Follow the 4 lines and completing. Kite, lion, map, nest, owl, pen, queen, rat, sun, tap, uniform, van, watch, Xmas or X-ray, yak, zip. Yes, you can see here all small case. So small letters, lower case. Yes. So small letters, let us write down here small cursive letters. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h, small I, small j, small k, small l, small m, small n, small o, small p, small q, small r, small s, small t, small u, small v, small w, small x, small y and small z. Yes, we have completed here. Next, let us go to the sentence. How to write down sentences? So here, a neat and style writing attracts and impresses everyone. You can get more marks in exams and tests by writing neatly. Yes, here you can see the sentence. Sign up for the tools of progressive skills. Yes. And another one sentence is here. The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. Yes, Let's complete the sentence. So follow the lines and write down. So as you practice, you do the best. You can expect a remarkable change in your speed as well as style of writing. Let's write down for the paragraph. Joining words. So how I am joining the words here? So I have taken the letters from A to Z, small case. So here small a once, again small a and b joining, again A, B, C joining, A, B, C, D joining, again A, B, C, D, E joining. So each letter you need to join as you complete. So this helps you to improve your handwriting. So slowly you are going to improve your handwriting with lots of creative ideas. Yes. So as you complete, you need to follow the lines. So you need to follow the lines and you need to complete here. So you can see here I have used all these letters joining from A to Z. So this helps you to understand the ability of writing and joining the strokes. So how to join each letter with the next letter. Yes. So this helps you to write down better. Yes, you can see here how to write. It helps for the coordination of the left and right parts of your brain. So it helps you to concentrate. The main thing, sharpen your brain, improving your memory, and it uses more parts of your brain. Yes. Practice for 7 days and you can see a difference. Yes. You know, writing by hand is a great tool for those who want to keep their mind sharp as they get older. Yes, true. Yes, this joining of the letters. After completing this joining of letters, let's go with this paragraph writing. So paragraph writing is the last thing where you can learn completely. And next is punctuations. Using the punctuations in the paragraph writing, that makes the most. And beginning capital letter you have to use, and you need to look at the sentence whether the sentence is in a questioning, you need to put the question mark. If it is in an exclamatory, put an exclamatory mark. Yes, from A to Z. Yes, finally we are in last. We are about to finish. Yes, we are nearly done. Yes, A to Z. So joining the words, you can see here letters. Yes. Next is paragraph writing. So you have learnt in this video how to write down the letters, words, sentences, and last one is paragraph writing. Begin with the strokes and then go to the letters and next to the words, next to the sentence and last to the paragraph writing. I hope this video has made you most helpful to improve your handwriting, and next video let's go with the new concept of learning calligraphy writing. Let's go with the new video.